Hello and welcome to Modern File Explorer 2. My name is Paul Tallett and I'm the developer, and I've put a lot of effort into Modern File Explorer 2 and rewritten large pieces of it to make it hugely faster. It's about 500 times faster, and to remove some of the restrictions that Universal Apps have. So let's dive straight in. Let's take a look at some of the features. So this is the default view you get when you start Modern File Explorer. So I'm going to click on here and you can see it's bringing up the files. So I'm going to go into my demo folder. So if we go into demo, selection is with the checkboxes in the corner. You can change that. You can change in preferences. You can change it to double click to navigate and single click to select. But the default is this mode where we select some files here and we can go into a folder and then we can click paste. Did I not do copy? Select some folders, select some files rather, and do copy. And then go into that folder and click paste. You can see it's pasted those. Obviously I could cut those. So let's take a couple of these files. I can also use select with the dragging. So I'm going to cut those and I'm going to go back to demo and I'm going to paste those in here. Now these already exist, so it's offering me, do I want to overwrite them, give them unique names, or skip duplicates? So let's give them unique names. So now they've called them brackets 1 and brackets 2 and things like that. So that's just regular cut and paste. I can also do rename. So if I select a file and click rename, I can type in a new name there and that will rename the file. I can also hit delete, and by default it deletes to the recycle bin, but you can also change that in settings to delete permanently. So I'm not going to delete that. I can go into here and I can change the appearance. So I can change to a dark theme. So that's a nice red theme. So let's go to that blue theme. Or I can change the backgrounds. And I can also here change the entire scale of the app. So if I change that to 200%, then everything will be twice as big. I can also have multiple tabs. So if I open up a tab, so let's go into that folder. Whoops, I double click. I keep double clicking. So that's into that folder, and then I add another tab, and we can go into a different folder. So I've now got folder 1 and folder 2, and here I can drag things out of here and drop them into folder 2. So drag and drop between tabs. I can also open a new window. So if I go here, I can take folder 3 and I can open that in a new window. And now I've got folder 3 in a new window. Just move that over a touch. And I can go into folder and I can, that's selecting the file. Now I can drag that into there and give it a unique name. So that's drag and drop and multiple tabs and multiple windows, cut and copy, rename, delete. I can also add a new folder. So if we say new folder, just call it new folder, that creates a new folder. Now that actually updates automatically. So if we go in here into that folder 3 folder, we're going to folder 3. You see it's also got the new folder. And if let's just to demonstrate that again, let's create another new folder, test 2. You see that this one has also got a test 2, and that's true whether you create them inside Modern File Explorer or outside. They're all automatically updated as soon as you create something. I can also drag and drop to the desktop, so I keep clicking on, I can select one and drop it on the desktop, or I could select something from the desktop and drop it on here. and I'll move it over there. So interoperability with the desktop. I can right click and get a whole lot of options. One of those is copy and move to, and I get another tree view, and I can select a folder and copy it into there. I can add my favorite folder. So if I click add favorite folder, I can go to, say, that C drive and find that demo folder again, and then click OK. And now I've got in the left hand side alongside all my drives. So let's close that up so you can see that a bit better. I've got a new top level folder which is demo. So easy way to keep all your shortcuts in one place. You can select all those. So when I'm adding a network drive, I can also add a when I'm adding a favorite, I can also add a network drive. So let me just do this. I haven't got the right keyboard. So MC is my media center. Do D. And now I can add that as my drive. Now you can see I've got access to my media on here. So if we go into DVDs, you can see I've got all the files on my network folder. So here we've got a breadcrumb, so that's clickable, so I can click on here to go to D, and every time I move around that updates. That's also editable, so I can paste a path in here, or I can type a path in here and it'll go straight in. Hit escape and it comes out again. With Modern File Explorer 2, you can now launch exe files. So if we go to say the C drive, and we go to program files, and we go to paint.net, and then we run paint.net.exe, that launches paint.net. So we can launch exe files now. I've also got box integration. So if you click on here, we can go to box. So grant access to box, authorize box, grant access. And now I've got access to all my box files. I've also got G Drive and Dropbox. If we go back to that demo folder, I can show you picture. That comes up in the default picture viewer, and I can pan around in the pictures. I can go to full screen mode. And I can zoom in and out of the pictures with the plus minus buttons. We've also got a PDF viewer. So if we click on PDF, okay, that's currently disabled. Let me just try something else. Let me just. So there's the PDF viewer. So we can now navigate through the pages. And again, you can zoom in and out. Also has a full screen mode. If you want to, you can set up external viewers. So you can go into here, into preferences, and say I want to use an external PDF viewer. And now when I click PDF viewer, it'll go into Edge and use the default PDF viewer. Do that for pictures as well. You can also see URL files, hidden files, and link files, which are not normally visible. And if I just start typing, it'll go straight into the search box at the top there. When I hit PDF, it searched all those PDF files. And searching is really fast, so if I now change that to PNG, it's instantaneous. Change it back to PDF. See how instantaneous it is. It's really nice for searching your whole drive for something. You can search your whole drive in about a minute, and then you can keep changing the search criteria. Okay, I think that's everything. Hope you enjoy Modern File Explorer 2, and please send me feedback. I love to get emails from my users. Any new feature requests or something that doesn't work properly, just email me and I'll try and fix it. So thank you very much, and enjoy Modern File Explorer.